Hello YouTube, this is AlPalC here, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple of coins I got from a trade I made with those coins I showed you in a video from a while back that I ended up deleting because the trade has already been done. And I'll soon be doing a bit of an unboxing. But before I actually get started, I'm going to actually give a quick shout out to CoinPicker for this video because one of these coins I know for sure will interest him as well as the rest of you. But for now, I'm actually going to start with the two coins I traded for. First coin being this coin from Tunisia. It's a 1 dinar from 1969, and this coin is 925 fine silver. I forgot what this is commemorating, but yeah, some Colosseum. Be a very nice coin. It's actually 40 millimeters in diameter. It's actually pretty big. Next coin. This is actually a really good one. 1853 Brazilian 2000 rice from the Brazilian Empire, so at this time Brazil was still considered an empire. I believe that's actually the mintage of this coin on the bottom. .7% silver. That's the purity this coin is. So I still got a silver coin from Brazil, just did not happen to be the 960 rise coin I wanted to get. And now for this. What is in this is actually a pretty nice coin. I'll actually not say what it is, I'll just pull it out and show it on camera. Figured I'd do an unboxing for this one because it is such a major deal coin for me. Huh, there's an invoice. Look at the invoice real quick. Okay, it's right side up. And the coin is in there. It's actually a graded coin. That's about as far as I'll go with it. And here it is. The 1929 Guangdong Province, China, 20-cent silver coin. NGC graded, mint state 62. Trying to get it to focus because there's actually a lot of glare. And I actually just found out that's Sun Yat-sen on the front. There we go. It's actually a really nice coin. I actually paid about $60 for this coin. I think that's actually a pretty good deal. Yeah. Set it down to get a better view of the information there. 1929, 20-cent, China, Guangdong, LNM, 158, Y426, mint state 62. And that will actually do it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.